Up in smoke, that's where my goes.
Yo quiero fumar chicken. Yo quiero fumar
Puerco.
Yo quiero fumar jamón y lechón. Hey yo, it smells bacon. It's all about bacon on sausage. Do you feel sorry for the poor little swine? Yo quiero fumar. Carne asada lapping on the grill.
Pero cuidado con el chorizo.
Looky, can I have some? I like mine rare.
Sorry, no tortilla.
To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell, I'm a goon with the spoon. Wrist game sick, paid the neighborhood chef. Chef. The neighborhood chef. The neighborhood chef.
Barbecue.
This is going to be a heavy D barbecue steak experiment. Right now I have the ribeye steaks seasoned and marinating. They've been marinating for about an hour. I have them seasoned with some of this bullshit. First I thought it was a joke, but this stuff is absolutely really good. Designed for ribeye steaks. Then I put some Montreal steak seasoning as well. And they're sitting in shaka sauce marinade. That stuff is real good and I put it on everything. He's local and available at Safeway, so I suggest you try it. So we're going to barbecue the steaks, and when they're almost done, we're going to take them in and sear them in a pan with a light coat of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is supposed to give the steaks a crisp crust and a juicier taste. So let's see how they come out. So I just put the steaks on the grill. I'm going to do them about 4 minutes on each side. I just want to get them to about 110, 115 degrees. And then I'm going to finish them off in the pan with that light coat of mayonnaise. Let's see how they come out. So they're at about 119 degrees on the grill. Exactly where I want them. I'm going to take them off. And I'm going to sear them in the light coat of mayonnaise for the last 15 degrees to get them to 135. For a perfect medium rare. So let's see how they come out. So here are the steaks. Like I said, just a thin light coat of mayonnaise on them. And I'm going to sear them for maybe about a minute, 2 minutes on each side. You're not cooking them. You're just finishing them off to get the nice crust and juicier flavor into the steak. So let's check it out, see how it comes out. So they've been searing on one side for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna flip it, and I already have the mayonnaise on the other side. So, and look at that nice crust you're getting. Look at that. And in about another minute on the other side and we'll be done. Perfectly seared steak. Let's see how they taste. So they're done, and you can see they have that nice crust and they smell amazing. Now the hardest part to do is you gotta wait 5-10 minutes to let them rest before you could try them. So we're finishing off the last one, and then we're gonna let them rest for about 10 minutes. And when they're done resting, you'll see why. So they've been resting for about 10 minutes, and you can tell the big difference now. They look way more juicier. By letting them rest, you're letting all the juice redistribute back to its natural places. Now it's time to eat them and hope the queen approves. So here it is. Took a cut out of it. It's perfect medium rare, nice and pink in the middle and juicy. The queen loves hers. Mind you that we're using butter knives because we moved and haven't got our steak knives yet, and it's cutting through real good, so it's nice and tender. So the queen approves, and we're topping them off with this Stonewall maple bacon onion jam and the Stonewall Kitchen horseradish aioli. Hella good. The mayonnaise did a good sear, and time to fuck them up.
Up in smoke, that's where my goes.
Yo quiero fumar. Chicken. Yo quiero fumar.
Puerco.
Yo quiero fumar. Jamón y lechón. Hey yo, I smell bacon. It's all about bacon or sausage. Do you feel sorry for the poor little swine? Yo quiero fumar.
Carne asada lapping on the grill.
Pero cuidado con el chorizo.
Looky, can I have some? I like mine rare.
Sorry, no tortilla.
To all you motherfuckers that just can't tell, I'm a goon with the spoon. Wrist game sick, paid the neighborhood chef. Chef. The neighborhood chef. The neighborhood chef.
Barbecue.